Guys, this is your boy David again. We got another C8 in the shop. We're gonna go ahead and do lambo doors on this C8. This one is a nice gray. You don't see too many. This customer actually drove in Saturday. It flew back on Thursday, which, that's pretty cool. But we get a lot of customers from everywhere, especially from the southern states. I guess since, those states are closer to Texas. I guess the furthest ones we get are from Florida. But in this particular case, the customer came from Dallas. We were glad that he came and dropped it off, and we're grateful for that. And that's why we like to take care of our customers. We give it 100% in every car. First step is to tape up the vehicle, lift up the vehicle, then remove the clips inside the trunk, or should I say frunk. Then install the kit and make sure everything is adjusted correctly. Once I put the kits on, I like to make sure I open and close just so everything seems pretty smooth and closes correctly, everything is aligned. Then we put the fender back, make sure you adjust that correctly, put the bolts back on, then install the wheels, then we lower the car, and we wait for the customer to pick up the vehicle. What's up, guys? This is your boy David again. As you can see, this is a fun little project. Whenever y'all ready, come visit us at 249 on Bellway 8. You'll see the big old flag.